This is the easiest way to earn over $100 a day using GoHighLevel and ChatGPT, and the best part is I have nothing to sell you. In fact, in today's video, not only am I going to show you how to diversify your income, but I'm going to be giving you a full done-for-you system that includes checklist of over 130 different AI tools you can get paid to promote. I'm going to be giving you pre-written emails with AI. I'm going to be giving you videos that you can start posting on places like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. And I'm also going to be giving you a free full step-by-step course that'll help you with everything that we're going to be talking about in today's video, all for free. And to get access to all of this, all you have to do is just subscribe, drop a comment, share this video with one person that you think that this will help, and I will send everything in today's video free of charge. So in order for us to get into this system, I have to explain to you how it works first. In this system, what we're basically going to be doing is we're going to be taking links that you can get paid to promote, and then we're going to be using AI to help us create content that we can send to our viewers to those links. And when they sign up for a free account on one of these tools that we're going to be getting paid to promote, we get paid whenever they get the rebuild of that tool. So we're going to be giving away a bunch of free stuff, which is really cool. And we're going to be using ChatGPT and AI to basically do all the marketing for us. So let's dive in. First thing, you're going to want to go to digitalplaybook.com, hit get free course, bonus. And then this is going to take you to a screen where it's going to have a little video. And then we want to get this 30-day free trial of a tool called GoHighLevel. So this tool is going to allow us to do everything as far as sending out emails, scheduling out all our content, and be able to create websites and different funnels. Once you sign up, you're going to get taken to a screen that kind of looks like this. This is going to be your account. And the three things that I want to be talking about are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. So in sites, this is where you can have access to all your funnels. Automations, this is where you'll be able to create an email automation to where whenever someone enters in their email, they'll get sent emails. And then up here, marketing is where you are going to be able to schedule out all your content. Now, once you have the digital playbook, I actually give you a snapshot. And what a snapshot is it's going to allow you to import everything that I use for my systems and company. So you'll get all the emails already imported into your account. You're going to be getting all the funnels and everything that I have, which is going to take a lot of the setup and all that trouble out of you, which is going to save you a lot of time with the setup. So you're going to just hit import. And then you're going to want to, boom, create a new account. And then you're going to want to click account manually, and it's going to have you like fill out business name, first name, all that stuff. None of this stuff really matters right now, so you can just put whatever you want in there. Now, I'm not going to do this since I already have an account. Now, once we have this imported, we're going to want to set up your affiliate link for the email automations that are be going out. So in the digital playbook, like I said, we have a list of over 130 different AI tools you can promote. You got SEO tools, email funnel builders, AI image tools, a bunch of the ones. Some of my top picks that I have used and are still using are going to be up here. So for an example, let's talk about this tool called Leonardo that I've been using recently. This is how I'm able to create some of the images and different short form contents that I use. And most of the time, these softwares, if you scroll down to the bottom, they will have a section that says affiliate. So you want to click here, and then you'll want to sign up. Then once you sign up, you will get in a link. Now, this affiliate, you get 25% commission. So once you sign up, you will get a link that looks like this. And now this link, we need to import into all of our different emails that are going to be getting sent out. Now, if you didn't have the snapshot, you would have to go into automations, new email opt-in. You would have to manually put these in to all these different emails. But due to something called a custom value, we're just going to have to import that into one place. And then voila. So because we have a custom value right here, we're going to go into settings and we're going to place that link. And then whenever you place that link in there and someone clicks on one of these highlighted things in your email, they'll get taken right to your link. So we're going to go back to settings, custom values, and we're going to go to create new custom value. So we'll go like Leo affiliate link, and then we'll paste the custom value right here and then hit create. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine. So now we have the backend set up, but now we got to build your funnel. So going in the sites, we'll go to digital playbook snapshot funnel. And this is what's called a video sales page. So the title can be anything. So new free AI side hustle, or let's say we're doing Leonardo, it could be free image generator that creates images in one click. And then right here, you would have some sort of like 5 to 6 minute video where it shows you using the tool, because a lot of these views are going to be coming from the short form content that you're going to be creating. And then right here is your opt-in page to where you get their name. And then when they enter in their email, that's going to automatically put them in to the automation that we just set up. So going over to the whiteboard real quick, you got the Google Sheet. We selected our tool, which is Leonardo.ai. Now it's time to replicate or generate content. So I say replicate because I give you a list of done for you different short form content that you're able to use and create. So for an example, if you wanted to use one of these videos, get engagement, comments, and shares. But let's say you want to create your own short form. So we'll go to a tool like Leonardo. So we'll hit image create, and we'll change this to 2x3, which is kind of TikTok or short form style. And I'm just going to reuse this prompt. So what you could do is we could go into something like ChatGPT or type in anything that you want and hit generate. And when you do, I like putting a stunning realistic 3D render and then putting both of that at the end of the prompt, because it gives it it's just a good prompting thing that I found out from using this tool for quite a while. Now we'll give it a second, and it normally takes, how you see right here, 9, 10, normally takes pretty quick. So look at these images. Boom. Now, if you're wanting to create a short form video, well, cool thing about Leonardo is if you click generate motion image, you're able to actually turn this video into an image, or my bad, turn this image into a video. Motion strength is just how fast the image is going to be moving. I like to keep it around 5 or 6. So let's generate this. Now these take a little bit longer, like 60 seconds. So I might just pause this and come back to when it is complete. All right, the image is complete, and take a look at this. So it's not the best because this was a kind of a standstill image, but you get the point. I'm just doing this for video purposes. I would kind of go through and make a lot more, but you see this, it's really cool as far as AI. I'll scroll down and show you some of the other ones that I created, like this one. That's super dope. Something like this. See, this was generated with like 3 motion speed, so it looks a lot better. So in theory, you're going to want to generate a bunch of these, and then we'll go into a software like CapCut. So once we have CapCut opened up, this is the software that I use for my video editing. We are going to chain a bunch of these videos that we've put together. Now, I already have some pre-made videos from Leonardo, so I'm just going to enter them in for the sake of this video. So once we have these, now we need some type of scripting or some type of voiceover. Now, I already have some imported in here, but what you would want to do is just go to a tool like DubDub or 11 Labs, and that is text to speech. And you would just write in your prompt and download that voice audio. See, we got AI voices, and you can see I've used 11 Labs. And the scripting that I used was like top 3 websites. And each one of the websites that I mentioned is some type of affiliate link or domain that I own. So if someone sees the website and goes to it, I would be getting credit for them signing up for that free tool. So we have the voiceover, we have the images. Now we have to generate captions. So we'll go with the captions, auto generate. And I like to use this one.
Here are the top 3 websites.
I like to use this one that has an emoji. So we'll generate captions. And then after that, we are going to add some background music. Now that is just an addition. You don't have to import background music, but I like to. So background music is added. We're going to cut that out. Going to shrink this a little bit. And for the background music, turn the volume down. And this is one of the final videos. Let's watch it real quick.
The top 3 websites that will change your life. ShineFeedBots.com is an AI platform designed to help you go viral by generating multiple videos in just seconds. DigitalPlaybook.com is a website that offers a free checklist of over 400 AI tools that pay you a commission for promoting them. The final website provides a free training program that teaches you how to make over $1,000 a day. Interested? Just respond with the word yes in the comments and I'll share the link.
Look at that. Complete short form video created with AI. Love it. So we'll download that. So once you download that and create as many as you would like, we will go to marketing. And then what you want to do is download all of these and then schedule them out. So I have some scheduled out right now, but all you would do is first go up here, settings. You would want to connect your social media accounts, and then you go to on the calendar, new post, create new post, and then select the social media accounts that you want. We'll go upload video, and then upload the videos that you have. You can see I already have some uploaded right here. Pick this, make some type of comment. Something like that. Can't spell. And then we will put that as real. Schedule out post, and then schedule it out, and then voila. So I suggest, maybe a Sunday or something, taking some time to create some content and uploading this. And then you are going to start creating views and getting people into your funnel. One thing that I notice is that while this may seem easy, you need to start taking action now, because the best time to create content was yesterday, and the second best time is today. So that's what I've figured has held a lot of people back. So after watching this video, start just creating content. If you're brand new to social media, you don't have a following, you got to start building up that profile, because attention is the new currency. So just going over everything real quick, get the playbook, pick a tool. It doesn't have to be Leonardo. I give you content and I just showed you how that you can generate your own content. Then once you schedule out everything, you're going to start sending traffic to your links, building up an email list, and then automate and repeat. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, concerns, put them down below. but I'll see you in the next one, AI pros.